Right, so in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the formula for the area of a circle. I posted another video, and the activity that you did in class should help you understand where this formula comes from, but this video is just showing you how to use it. So of course the formula is pi r squared. Please remember that this is the same thing as writing pi r times r. It's not r times 2. It is r times r. That's what r squared means. So, our first example has a radius of 4. This is our formula, which means pi r squared. I prefer to write my formula filled in like this, because again, 4 squared means 4 times 4. And this keeps me from accidentally multiplying 4 times 2 instead. It helps me to remember to do 4 times 4, which is 16. So at this point, I'm doing 3.14 times 16, which gives you 50.24. Notice my units are inches squared because we're talking about area. So on this one, we are given the diameter. Since we are given the diameter, we need to divide by 2. The radius is going to be 5 centimeters. We only have a radius formula that involves radius for the area of a circle. We do not have one that involves a diameter. So again, pi r squared. I like to write my formula out like this. Then I'm going to plug in 3.14 and simplify a little bit. And multiplying together gets me that. Okay, so let's do a couple from scratch. We're going to use 3.14 for these. First thing I'm going to do is write my formula. I'm plugging in 3.14 for pi. My radius is 6, not 12. That's my diameter. So then I do 6 times 6. Please remember that multiplication, when it's all multiplication, it can be done in any order. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 6 because that's a little bit easier to do. So 3.14 times 36 is going to give me 24, 8, 18, there's my placeholder, 12, carry my 1, 4, and 9. 4, 10, 13, and 11. 2 decimal places in my answer, I should get 113.04. And again, this is going to be centimeters squared because it's area. Number 2 already gives me the radius. So it's pi r squared. I'm going to plug in 3.14 for pi. R is 7 times 7. So again, this is 3.14 times 49. And when I multiply those two together, I've already got it pre-worked out, so I'm just going to let you know that it's 153.86 inches squared. Yes, you should be able to do this on your own, but like I said, I just have it pre-worked out so we can save ourselves a little bit of video time. All right, our last example for this lesson is area equals pi r squared. The area is 3.14 times 3.5 times 3.5. Now be very careful on a problem like this because there really is no easy way to avoid those decimals. So you're just going to have to double check your work as you move along. This is going to be 3.14. If you multiply 3.5 times 3.5 correctly, you should get 12.25. And then you do your last set of multiplication, which is going to give you a little bit more work. It's 38.465 when done correctly. And again, that is yards square. So that's how we use the formula for area of a circle. Please make sure and watch the additional video that I posted that will show you why we use this formula for the area of a circle.